Good afternoon, it's Dave at ATI Watch Reviews. Please hit that like button and please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. Little wristwatch check. Got my AD-2040 on. An unbelievably economical cheap watch from Addis Dive. It is a 200 meter diver, super comfortable on that orange band with stainless buckle. A very nice cheap watch, and it does actually have allegedly 200 meters of water resistance. Very comfortable for these coming summer months. Today's video is a very interesting one because one of my favorite homage watch manufacturers from China have made a very interesting brand new Pagani design ultra thin watch. Wow. Check that out. This is the PD-YS020. And I decided to get it in gold, and this should be the V2 with the half links. Yes, it is. Now check that out. Are we digging that dial? I definitely am. That is so light and so unbelievably thin. This is only 7 millimeters thick. They've somehow got 100 meter water resist with obviously a quartz battery into that tiny little case. That is incredible. When you see this watch, I mean, I don't know what it's coming like on camera now, but it's only 37 mil. So a little overview. This is the PD-YS020, only 7 millimeters thick, with a flat sapphire crystal, a beautiful blue radiant dial, a fixed stainless steel bezel. Obviously this is the PVD coating one, so it is in a gold PVD coating. Fully solid integrated tapering bracelet with a butterfly clasp, and this is the V2, so it has the half links, which is good because I can't stand these things when they don't have half links. With a quartz VGA21 with a quartz VGA21 movement, accurate to about 15 give or take a month. And it comes in, I've seen other reviewers weigh it, and it comes in at around 100 grams. This is supposed to be about a 37 millimeter watch. Just looking at it now, it looks way bigger than a 37. Let's get it on my wrist. And that's it on the wrist. Look at the sheen on that bracelet. Oh my God. That is pretty sick. Because I think you've got some polished inners there, contrasting with the brushing. That looks absolutely bigger than 37. That looks more like a 40 mil to me. Well, maybe 39. Integrated bracelet watches always feel bigger and they always look bigger, I think. Definitely feels bigger than a 37, but it's so light. I can't believe the shine that's coming off that bracelet. I just had to get it in the gold. And contrasting with that blue on the dial, it is absolutely definitely a looker. And it's so light, I don't even think it's 100 grams. And the links are completely solid, Quite good articulation. And they're fixed with just pins, I believe. Yeah, they are. And it does give you arrows. The case back is just a standard stainless steel one. And look, you can see there, PD-YS020. So they've gone for a longer name on this one. 100 meter water resist. So frighteningly thin. It almost, I mean, you can definitely wear this all day. It's going to be super comfortable. But it does have a big lug to lug, it feels, or a big end link to end link. I'll get it on my wrist for a few weeks and I'll get you a full review up. Do you know which watch brand this and model this is homaging? Do you know? I'll give you a clue. It's extremely expensive, like very, very expensive, even more expensive than the luxury brand beginning with R, as a general rule. And it begins with V. Put it down in the comments if you know which watch this is homaging. But so far, it's not bad. I would probably like it, in total honesty, a bit more weighty. I'm not used to wearing a thin watch, but because obviously this is only 7mm thick, it's so light on the wrist, it's just unbelievably light. And so it's going to be unbelievably comfortable. And there's nothing on that bracelet, on initial impressions, even with that butterfly clasp, that digs in or is, you know, I have to resize it. I probably have to take one link out. But yeah, very comfortable so far. There's an affiliate link down below. I make a tiny bit of commission at no extra cost to you. The watch is only about, probably with taxes, 70 odd quid. Obviously there'll be deals coming up, coupons. You can probably get it less than 70. Hope you've liked this little unboxing. It's been Dave. Have a great day.